Hello mga kamingming, I'm going to show you the orange and then the salt. Simple remedy for not feeling well. Just only steam for 20 minutes. Okay, let's do it now. Our only ingredients is 1 orange and a salt. Let's start. First is we need to remove this one, the top one. Remove that, and then we cut in the middle like this. We cut in two. This one we need to open this one like this. Yeah, like this. The appearance is like this. And then we take the salt. Just pour a salt on the top. Pour salt and then spread. And then also here you need to put salt like this. As you can see this. And then spread it, and then like this. And then you put it in the plate like that. Or it's easy, we need to remove on that so that we can stand up like that, like this. And then the water is boiling. We need to put now the orange. Our water is boiling. I put now already the orange and then cover it. We steam and wait until 20 minutes and then it's ready to eat. That's it mga kamingming. This is a simple remedy of orange for not feeling well. Bye!